talk about what happens when your dentures become loose. Normally, the reason why your denture becomes loose is that you've lost weight. So if you've come out of the hospital and you weren't wearing your dentures for a while, and then when you put them back in your mouth, they don't feel normal, chances are you've lost between 5 to 10 pounds. Just like if you lose 5 to 10 pounds, your clothes will be loose, your dentures are loose. So pick a dental professional who knows how to do a denture reline. And if it's been more than 6 to 8 years, you probably should just invest in a new pair of dentures. A reline takes maybe an hour, and 90% of the time it's very helpful, and you're able to eat all your favorite foods again, and all it does is make the inside of your denture a little tighter. It doesn't change anything about the outside of the denture, so look into that.